right now we start amazing workshop. As you can see, we are going ourselves all together.
They arrived to the Caribbean with the Spanish people. You know that Cuba was discovered. Cuba was in 1492, and then the Spanish being a dominant from the Pacific Islands in Cuba or in the Caribbean. Un árbol de coco puede vivir entre 70 y 100 años. A coconut tree can live between 70 and 100 years. Cuando usted planta el coco, se demora 5 años en dar el fruto. Once you plant the coconut tree, it takes 5 years for the first fruit. Means 5 years to have one coconut and bring it here for you to taste it and to drink it. Con el coco, la leche del coco, es lo que nosotros en Cuba llamamos el agua del coco, tiene muchas propiedades, entre ellas es muy bueno para los riñones y también en la cocina cubana se usa la parte blanca para hacer el dulce de coco y con ella también con la leche que se extrae de coco. And also you get that, you get the ones you put it in the and you know what? Es una persona que es un especialista total picando el coco para que tenga we have one person in this hotel that is the master cooling the coconut for you to taste it. I want to thank you for Mr. Maraca. He's the master cooling the coconut cooling the coconut for you. Don't worry, it's going to take over here 10 more minutes maybe. It's not easy to make it. Believe me. No es fácil hacer el sombrero de oro. Dura mucho tiempo. A ver. Estas cosas...
9 más 2 hojas, o sea, la mitad de la cantidad de hojas que hay.
Es difficult to explicar eso. Es difficult to explain this.
Okay, let's see what he does.
Yeah, just enséñale que es un vídeo.
Okay.
Despacito.
And then I'll try.
Una parte y por la otra.
One by one, you just put it into the next and over. And yeah, that's cool.
And then when you tie like this, you have it. And now, ahora lo hacemos con la otra hoja. We do with the other one.
Casi camminamos con un sombrero, casi. Al final hemos tardado 20
Ones that are
minutos.
under go up again through and then throughout the edges of the house until it sticks out just a little bit and see what happens after. So it's going up again throughout that then now. beach we go. And look at all these beautiful palm trees. Someone coming through. Coconut trees.
Осторожно.
Yeah. Nice.
Ok, no la conozco. No. Sí. So, su papá colombiano, su mamá dominicana.
You want to be in my video? You want to be in my video? Sure. Say hi. Of course. Hi. Hey. How are you? We are cooking up. Okay, Dawn. This is the charcoal lady. Mama. And it doesn't necessarily get in the water every time we have to. Does it? Have to go in the water? Okay.